Experimenting with points of view. Elevate your writing. Hey there, budding writers. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of creative writing. One aspect that can make or break a story is the point of view. You might ask, why does it matter so much? Well, sit tight as we explore how experimenting with different points of view can truly elevate your writing. Every story is told from a certain perspective, and that perspective is called the point of view. It's like wearing different glasses to view the world. Each lens offers a unique experience. In creative writing, there are primarily three types of points of view. 1. First person. The story is told from the I perspective. E.g., I watched the sunset, feeling a deep sense of calm. 2. Second person. This involves the reader using you. It's less common but can be very engaging. E.g., you walk down the alley, the shadows growing longer. 3. Third person. Here, the story is about he, she, or they. E.g., Sarah looked worried, her hands trembling. Variety. A different point of view can offer a fresh take on a familiar story. Ever wondered how Cinderella felt, or maybe the stepmother? Different perspectives can give that variety. Depth. Sometimes, the inner thoughts of a character can provide more depth to the story. By switching from third to first person, you can delve into a character's deepest desires and fears. Engagement. Using second person, for example, can directly involve the reader, making them a part of the story. It's an immersive experience. 1. Start small. Before rewriting your entire novel, maybe start with a scene or a short story. 2. Keep consistency. If you decide to shift perspectives, make it clear. Avoid confusing the reader. 3. Practice. The more you practice writing from different points of view, the better you'll get. Try writing prompts to flex those muscles. 4. Feedback. Share your experiments with friends, family, or writing groups. They can provide insights on what works and what doesn't. Experimentation can be fun, but it comes with its challenges. 1. Maintaining voice. Ensuring that the character's voice remains consistent is crucial. 2. Avoiding head hopping. In third person, be careful not to jump between characters' thoughts too quickly. It can disorient the reader. 3. Not overdoing it. While it's great to experiment, sometimes simple is best. Find what serves your story best. Choosing and experimenting with points of view is like choosing the perfect lens for your camera. It's all about capturing your story in the best light. We hope this video sheds some light on the importance and excitement of playing with perspectives. Keep writing, keep experimenting, and most importantly, have fun.